China is quietly killing fossil fuels, and almost nobody's talking about it. They use the silica sand. Beneath our feet lies one of the most important raw materials of the modern world, silica sand. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than countless tiny grains scattered along the shoreline. But if we zoom in, each grain begins to sparkle like tiny pieces of glass, revealing the mineral that has helped shape today's technological civilization. For centuries, silica was mainly used to make glass, but human curiosity, scientific innovation, and decades of research, supported by enormous investment, unlocked a far greater potential hidden inside these tiny grains. Today, silica is no longer just the ingredient for windows and bottles. It has become the foundation of the digital age. The silicon produced from high-purity silica powers the semiconductor chips inside our smartphones, computers, televisions, satellites, and countless electronic devices. Technologies that once filled entire rooms or even buildings have been miniaturized into devices that fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. The same material has also transformed the way we produce energy. By converting silica into ultra-pure silicon, engineers created solar cells capable of turning sunlight directly into electricity. Millions of solar panels installed around the world now generate clean, renewable power, helping reduce dependence on fossil fuels and reshaping the global energy landscape. All of this began with something so common that most people walk past it without a second thought: a simple grain of silica sand. In this documentary, we will follow its remarkable journey, from a natural raw material to high-purity silicon, and finally into one of humanity's most important renewable energy technologies, the solar panel. China has emerged as one of the world's leading nations in the development and mass production of solar panels. Over the past 2 decades, the country has invested billions of dollars in renewable energy technologies, advanced manufacturing, and research to make solar power more efficient and affordable. Today, Chinese companies manufacture a significant share of the world's solar panels, supplying clean energy solutions to countries across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. The rapid expansion of China's solar industry reflects a long-term strategy to prepare for the future of global energy. As populations grow and electricity demand continues to increase, dependence on fossil fuels alone is becoming increasingly difficult to sustain. Renewable energy, especially solar power, has become an important part of the global transition towards cleaner, more reliable, and sustainable sources of electricity. In 2026, geopolitical tensions in the Middle East have once again highlighted the importance of energy security. The conflict involving the United States and Iran has raised concerns about the stability of oil and natural gas supplies. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical maritime routes for energy transportation, plays a key role in the global oil trade. Any disruption to shipping through the strategic waterway can create uncertainty in international energy markets, affecting fuel prices and energy supplies around the world. Events like these remind governments and industries that relying heavily on fossil fuels carries significant risks. When oil or gas supplies become uncertain, countries often look for alternative energy sources that are produced domestically and are less vulnerable to international conflicts. Solar energy offers one of the most practical solutions because sunlight is abundant, renewable, and available in many regions of the world. China has recognized this challenge and continues to expand its renewable energy capacity on a massive scale.